Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Pepper and I do nails. Somebody asked me to do a step-by-step tutorial of Scooby-Doo, so that is what we're gonna do today. These are the colors that I'm using. Beetles B310, Beetles White, and then these are those liner gels that I got from Temu if you watched my last Temu haul. 12 millimeter brush and 8 millimeter brush for the little small details. All right, and then a cleanup brush that is from Tammy Taylor. All right, so I'm going in with that turquoise color of Beetles, and I'm gonna do 2 coats of that. Nice and thin, because I don't want it to bubble. So this is going to be a real-time video. The only thing that I speed up is when I'm coloring in, which takes quite a long time. So I'm taking a Beetles matte coat and just matte coating that. I find it's easier to do line work on a matted nail. That's totally up to you. You can leave it shiny if you want. Anyways, this is a real-time video. I wanted you to be able to see step by step how I did Scooby. I did speed up certain parts where I'm coloring in because that would take forever. So when I watch tutorials, I let a little bit play. I get to where I think I can remember and I pause it and then I do it. And then I play a little bit more and pause it and then I do it. So I always start with a black outline. I know that there are other nail artists that do their color blocking first. I do not, and you're gonna see several examples in this video of why I don't do that. You know, when you get really good, like Nails by Dev or some really talented artists like that, then you could maybe start out with some color blocking and do all your black outline and details later, but you will see in this video why it is important to me to start with black outline. All right, so I'm just doing the outline of the ears, the top of the head, and now I'm adding in his chin area. Okay, and this is just a rough outline because we are going to go in and do the color blocking, so you don't need to worry about this being absolutely perfect at this point, okay? We're going to do the color blocking later. So now I am just outlining a portion of his lip, okay? And this is going to be his mouth that we are then going to color in with some black. And I know I'm going really slow, but real-time nail art takes time. And I think people that watch the videos that don't do nails, or sometimes we set unrealistic expectations for ourselves, thinking that we can be fast. Y'all, it's just editing. It takes time. There is not a nail artist in the world that doesn't take a long time. Well, I mean, there might be, but the majority, it takes time. All right, so just filling in that chin. Y'all, if you don't follow me on the YouTubes or subscribe, whatever, please subscribe. I appreciate the support. I am on my road to 500 subscribers, so I'm excited. If you have not entered my giveaway for hitting 250 subscribers, please make sure to go do that. There's a video on my feed on all the details, but I will be giving away either some nail supplies or junk journal starter kits or press-on nails. So if you're interested, please go and enter for that. The more people that enter, the more giveaways I'm gonna do, because I love to give away free stuff. So I'm super excited. I've got a Temu haul coming anywhere between March 6th and March 12th, I think. And so the deadline for to enter the giveaway is the 6th, because if it shows up that day, I'm going to do the Temu haul, and then I'll also do a video of the winners. So, okay, so now I'm just doing his nose, a V, and then rounded edges at the top, so you can see where I've rounded the edges. Now coming up, you're going to see an important part of why I outline first. Yeah, I make a lot of boo-boos, and it's okay. So I'm just coloring in that nose real quick, you guys. All in black. And I did speed up this part because if I didn't, you guys would be here forever. And I wanted to make this like a watchable video. But you can see, even sped up, it takes time to color in that nose. All right. Look at me being a little perfectionist. All right, now I'm going in with the eyes, and this is where I make a mistake. I realize I made Scooby's nose way too big to be able to fit the rest of the details in there. So as I'm drawing the eyes, I overlap the nose with the white. And that's why it's important, y'all, when you're going in with your color, go in really thin and even, because you don't want your final product to look super lumpy. You want it to look very smooth. So even though I'm overlapping, my product is very thin and very smooth. I oftentimes let it self-level a little bit before I put it in the lamp. That tends to help too. So see, I'm looking at it right now and I realize, oh my gosh, there is no space in between the nose and the eyes. And I realize I'm going to make the eyes just a little bigger. Okay, and this is where I go in and fix it. I take the brown of the Scooby and I just cover up the part of the nose that I don't want to exist anymore. All right, and this is where I'm going to really speed this up, you guys. So I'm going to play some music, speed this up, and I will be right back. All right, y'all, now I have some light pink from those same liner gels that I got off of Temu, and I am just coloring in that small portion of Scooby-Doo's ears. If y'all do not follow me on all the socials, I'm Moonchild Custom Creations on all of them. Please give me a follow. Also, I sell all my press-on nail sets on my eBay shop. That is also Moonchild Custom Creations. All those links are in my description. All right, now I'm just drawing in some of those, his 2 eyebrows. And they're pretty thick and kind of going in wonky shapes or directions. So I'm just perfecting that. It's crazy to watch back videos and see how long something really takes, because when you're doing it, you don't really feel like your strokes are so slow, you know? And then you watch them back and you're like, oh my gosh, I am so slow. But to get those lines straight, man, you gotta be sometimes. You feel me? All right, so now I'm just going in and doing, redoing those black outlines. And These ones have to be a little bit straighter than those first ones. The first ones didn't need to be too perfect. These ones you want to... I didn't like how pointed Scooby's nose was, so I'm just rounding out those corners a smidge. You can see that there. And I think this is why I speed up my videos so much, is because it's really hard watching myself work in real time. Like, I don't want to know how slow I move. All right, so, oh, I'm out of frame there for a second. Sorry about that, y'all. All right, went ahead and got that back in frame real quick. Hopefully it stays in frame. I'm taking a daughter tool. I always think of my daughter. She's so cute. I'm doing the eyes, and now I'm taking my brush and doing a super thin little outline on those eyes. Okay, it's hard to get a really thin outline. So limited product on your brush. Look how cute Scooby's looking already. Then we're just going to do a little bit of wrinkles under his eyes, because he's a Great Dane. And you know, I didn't know that Scooby-Doo was a Great Dane until just recently. I work at a pet store, and I'm learning, you know, all the different kinds of dogs and animals and all the things. And who knew Scooby-Doo was a Great Dane? Little whiskers down there at the bottom. And then I take this bright green, and I'm just outlining Scooby just to highlight it a little bit. If you want, you can also take some white and add a little bit of highlight to his nose. Excuse me. A little highlight to his nose. You know, add some highlights in there if you want to. I did not want to on this set. Here is the top coat. And I use Beetle's top coat. You can also matte this if you want. This set would look super cute matted. Character art looks really cute matted. But I just want that top coat to be so smooth. And look, there's a little partner nail I did to go along just with an idea for a set. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and comment. Until the next video. Bye.